Okay, so I help in the day-to-day running of clinical trials at Lincoln. So make sure all the patients get their medication on time, dispense and check trial medication. I write SOPs for clinical trials, so the general SOPs, and then for specific clinical trials we do dispensing and checking SOPs, so I tend to write them as well. Set up new clinical trials within the trust, maintain all of the pharmacy site files we have in the department, archive the trials when they need to be closed down, hosting monitoring visits, so the sponsors that run the clinical trials will come and make sure that we're doing everything as we should, and help train other colleagues in the department on all the clinical trials we have in the department. I enjoy helping all the clinical trial patients receive their medication on time, and help counsel them on all their medication, because with clinical trials the patients come back regularly, so you get to see them more regularly, so you get that rapport with them a bit more, so the patients trust you as well with things, so they tend to tell you a bit more if they're struggling, or so that it's the patients that make me enjoy my job. So the qualifications you need for the role is the NVQ in pharmaceutical science. So it's at college, and I did it through an apprenticeship, so I found it on the government website. And then sort of desirable training that you need is GCP, which is good clinical practice, dispensing and checking, and then training on all the clinical trials if you were to go into the role as well, but that's sort of in-house training from us and the sponsors.